Okay, let's talk about the Luckman upgraded DA97-12594A refrigerator dispenser ice chute cap and gasket. Assembly. This Samsung fridge ice chute cap assembly is a lifesaver. You know how ice can sometimes get stuck? Or maybe air leaks into your freezer. This part acts like a strong guardian for your ice dispenser. It seals everything snugly. Because of this, it keeps the cold air in. Also, it keeps the warm air out. It's a simple fix, yet it makes a big difference. This assembly replaces old, worn-out parts. Therefore, your ice flows smoothly. It's truly a well-made upgrade. Furthermore, this Samsung fridge ice chute cap assembly fits many Samsung models. For instance, it works with RF28HFEDTSR and RF28HMEDBSR. It also fits RF28JBEDBSR and RF263TEAESR, even RF28HCEDBSR is covered. Consequently, you don't need to guess. Installation is surprisingly easy. It's like putting a lid on a jar. The instructions are clear. Thus, anyone can do it. This assembly includes the cap. Also, it includes the gasket. Both are crucial. They work together. Together, they form a perfect seal. Finally, consider this Samsung fridge ice chute cap assembly a smart investment. It prevents ice jams. Moreover, it saves energy. Less cold air escapes. This means your fridge works less hard. Consequently, your energy bill might drop. It's like patching a small hole in a boat. A small repair prevents bigger problems. This upgrade makes your fridge run better. It restores its original performance. Ultimately, it brings peace of mind. Pros: fast shipping, perfect fit, exact match, much better than previous. Fit perfect, it fit and worked. Perfect match to original. Easy to install, no more water coming out, fast and accurate. Cons: starts leaking after a few weeks, not perfect seal, not better than original, doesn't fit some models, becomes dislodged easily. Samsung's ongoing ice maker issues. Features: upgraded design, ice chute cap, gasket assembly for Samsung refrigerators, replaces DA97-12594A, prevents ice jams, ensures proper sealing, easy to install, durable construction. Includes cap and gasket. This is an upgraded part for Samsung refrigerators. It fixes common problems with the ice dispenser. The assembly includes a new cap and a gasket. These parts stop ice from getting stuck. They also create a good seal. This keeps your freezer working right. It's easy to put in and made to last. It replaces the original part number DA97-12594A. This upgrade helps your ice dispenser work smoothly. The Luckman upgraded DA97-12594A refrigerator dispenser ice chute cap and gasket assembly is designed to replace parts in several Samsung refrigerator models like the RF28HFEDTSR and RF263TEAESR. Many users found it to be a perfect and exact fit, easy to install, and effective at stopping water leaks, often performing better than the original part. However, some customers reported that the seal wasn't perfect. It could start leaking after a few weeks, or it didn't fit certain models well and could become dislodged easily, suggesting it might not fully solve Samsung's well-known ice maker problems.